Alright, next box. This one's fragile, don't drop it. Make sure you don't drop it. See, it says fragile. Oh, don't poke anything sharp in it either. And this goes into popcorn. You got popcorn in this one. I don't like popcorn, I like paper. No, this looks like a cylinder or something. Yeah, who keeps buying these junk cylinders? What's up with this? How do you get that out without making a big mess is the key. Welding pins. Alright, that one. See, I got something else. Ooh, footboard rubbers. Nice. You gotta make sure you check through these boxes, don't throw away any valuable parts. You never know what else is in these boxes. Hidden underneath all the popcorn. I'm not seeing anything else. Wouldn't be the first time I threw away something. I had to go back and get it. Okay, this is a half moon footboard rubber. That's heavy. That's a piece of crap. Here's a good one, an original. It's made out of real rubber. Hear it? Real rubber. Paint on it, but it's alright. There's the important part right there. That's what you're paying the money for. Yeah, actually this is probably not an original. It's just really hard. Originally have holes all through here, and this has no holes in it. Probably an old reproduction. Yep. They have canvas on the back, the original ones, and this one doesn't look like it has any canvas. You couldn't tell in the pictures because it's just dirty. But yeah, there's no holes in here. Should be holes in here for rivets. No holes. So this is probably a reproduction, but it's an old one because it's pretty hard. This is a new reproduction, see, it's garbage. So these have been around like that. These were made back in the 70s and early 80s. They had these things. As soon as you get gas on these, they just vaporize. They just rot up. These are made out of like foam material almost. They're so damn soft. And the better ones have actually numbers in here, part numbers cast in. And the mold, these don't. This is really a cheap ass piece of crap. This one's just a really old piece of crap. At least it's made more of rubber, plastic material than that soft ass crap. So this is good for a beater bike that we don't really care about too much. So we'll put some holes in there and it'll probably look pretty close to stock. That one there is not nearly as good. That's stuff you sell to somebody else. Alright, so repop, but I like it. Repop, garbage. Better than nothing, but definitely not quality. Not what I'm after. I like original. Alright, that's it for that.